Like soups, there are so many different variety of salads in Vietnamese cooking, but the Mac Daddy of them all, or at least in my opinion, is gỏi with shrimp and pork. Gỏi basically means salad in Vietnamese, so you want to start off with the whole onion, thinly sliced and soak in an ice cold water bath. Then peel your carrots and julienne them like so. And with a whole celery bunch, you're going to want to clean them thoroughly only because dirt gets stuck in those crevices. So thinly slice them and then cut them into 1-inch pieces. What I love about Vietnamese food is that there's always a nice balance of like sweet and sour, hot and cold, etc. And I find that this salad definitely represents everything that Vietnamese cooking is about, because there's so much texture and crunchiness to the salad. You can either use Chinese celery or regular celery with this. Then with the red bell pepper, you're gonna want to thinly slice them and then cut them into 1-inch pieces. You can use any color bell pepper you want. It doesn't really make a difference. I chose red only because I like the vibrant colors in this salad. And then once you're done slicing these up, you're gonna add them to your salad mix. And then prepare your cucumbers. I like to use Persian cucumbers, but you can use whatever cucumbers you want. I like to remove the seeds to give it that extra crunchiness. Slice them into thin strips and then cut them into 1-inch pieces. Now comes all the herbs. You can use whatever herbs you want. My recipe, I'm using cilantro, mint leaves, and rau ram, the Vietnamese cilantro. Interesting fact about mint leaves is that in the winter time, they grow really small leaves, but during the summer, the leaves are much bigger. Same goes with the rau ram. I know because I grow these herbs in my garden. Obviously, you can substitute with basil if you don't have Vietnamese cilantro. Now prepare your shrimp. So you're gonna wanna boil a pot of water with lime juice, salt, and sugar. And then add your shrimp and cook them until they are done. When they turn pink/orange, put them in an ice cold water bath and then peel them and slice them lengthwise in half, like so, and then set them aside. So the key ingredient in this salad are these lotus rootlets, and I usually buy mine on Amazon. You can cut them up into 1 to 2-inch length pieces. Obviously, if you can't find these, you can substitute with slices of green papaya or green mango. Now prepare your pork. I like to add a liter of coconut water and some shallots, then top off the pot with regular water until it completely covers the pork. Let it boil for an hour. Then after 30 minutes of soaking your sliced onions in ice cold water bath, remove them, dry them, and then put them into your salad. And then toss the salad and mix everything thoroughly. To transfer mine into a large mixing bowl so that I can mix everything together. Then I transferred the salad back into my serving platter. And then once the pork is cooked, I like to trim off the fat and then slice them into 1/4-inch slices. So it depends on your preference. You can slice them thinner or thicker. Add the pork to the salad, then give it a good toss. I like to save some of my shrimp and use them as a garnish like so. Then I garnish it with celery leaves and then top it off with fried shallots and peanuts. If you have a nut allergy, you can forego the peanuts altogether. And add the fish dipping sauce to the salad, as that will be your dressing. I like everything spicy, even for my salad. So I add chopped chilies in mine. I love eating it with shrimp crackers, like so. But regardless, this salad is so tasty and so crunchy. It's simply delicious.